What's up, my gang? We're here at Red Castle in Rialto. You know, I don't do much videos in IE, but today we're in IE because we're collabing with Eat Out with Lex and Jon. They're here with us. We're going to do a public mukbang eating all you can eat, and drinking, eating Korean barbecue. So we're actually at Red Castle. You've probably seen me here before at the Westminster location, but this is the one in Rialto in the IE. So they got one in the IE too. So yeah, this is probably one of the cheapest Korean barbecues I've been to. It's $12.99 for all you can eat here.
What?
$12.99.
No way, that's at my alley. I'm cheap.
Yeah. So it's a steal. This is why I love going here.
If you can afford to pay for both of us.
So we're just trying the sides right now, guys. I love these right here. The japchae. It's like the Korean glass noodles.
Yeah, so far so good.
We're just waiting on the meat to come.
That's actually really good. I get me down.
You guys like kimchi?
You know, I want to really make it to see how it comes out. I've been watching videos, but I really enjoy it.
Kimchi. I've never had this at Korean barbecue before. Maybe you guys, it looks like a chicken nugget.
A big
but
one.
I'm gonna try it.
What is it?
Potato?
It's like a fried potato.
Yeah.
Like a huge fried potato.
Hey,
Good?
yeah.
Okay.
Actually, you're right. It reminds me of a big chicken nugget.
That's really good.
This is one of my favorite sides right here too.
That's a little sweet too.
The potato. So we got our first round here. Look at this big bowl of meat, guys. This is beef belly and brisket. Let's just throw it in there. You guys hear that sizzle? That's that ASMR right there.
I find it interesting, but
Look at that, guys. It's cooking. The meat's cooking. We can smell it. It's cooking, guys. It's cooking.
it's been a while.
It's almost there. So I like my brisket and belly rare. Some people like it crispy. It's just your preference. What would you say your preference? Crispy or rare?
Crispy.
Crispy?
I like medium,
But I'll try it rare.
Okay. I like my rare, so I just, that's like a disclaimer I tell everybody so they don't think I'm just that greedy.
Well, as long as it's not pink.
So some of it is like pretty crispy and some is still rare.
Ew.
So I think this is like,
I'll take it.
I would say that's perfect then. Because I do
No,
want
it doesn't matter. I'll take whatever.
cheers.
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 Shit.
Felix, your meat hanging everywhere.
So on the channel, I like to give a little review whenever I go to Korean barbecue on the brisket. What do you guys think? So the brisket was really moist. The belly. So this is beef belly and brisket mix. It's just super moist and fresh. You don't get that meaty taste from it. It's just really good. The most important thing to me is that it's moist. Brisket has to be moist.
And you know what? I think you're right because if it were burnt, I wouldn't have maybe enjoyed it as much.
Yeah?
Yeah. It was really good.
I loved it. It was a little sweet too.
But honestly, I wish there's a little more onion though. I'm a big onion person.
So I had that one with salt. I like my meat really salted. I'll try with the brisket sauce. See how the brisket sauce tastes. See, if I dip it here. Dripping.
This is so good. I haven't even dipped it in sauce or anything.
I don't want to add like my little side dish thing.
Brisket sauce is nice and sweet. Not too sweet though.
Oh, that's what you do.
It's really good. I'm very impressed.
Yeah?
The meat quality for $12.99 is like unbeatable.
For the price, it's
Yeah. Unbeatable. Also, the rice paper is really moist too. It's not dry and brittle like some places could be.
Sometimes it's like on the edges. You can feel
It's like dry.
hardened.
Yeah, hardened. That's the word.
Yeah.
It's dry and hardened, but it's really moist.
Yeah.
And it's been sitting here for a minute. Yeah.
For at least a good hour and a half.
Round 2 is here. Another dry round, brisket and beef belly. Let's get to work.
We have to get the rice.
rice.
Oh, yeah. Let's get to work.
I want to get that first one too, the sweet one.
ASMR.
Right, a healthy taste.
Japchae right here.
Just a little bit?
Alright guys, we're about to go in for round 2.
Oh. You gotta wrap it up in the rice paper and then suck it up.
This brisket is really hitting.
Oh, wow. That salt and pepper makes a huge difference.
It's good, right?
Very.
I love it with the salt.
Honestly, it's really good.
We got the marinated meats, the ribeye bulgogi marinated, and the pork belly. Let's get to it. You guys ready?
Let's do it.
Let's do it. ASMR. Oh shit.
No.
ASMR on my wrist. You gotta be careful with the marinated meats, they splash. Yup.
That's what it
You like
is.
pork belly?
Pork belly, yeah. Pork belly right here.
I'm ready.
Alright, about to try the bulgogi, the marinated ribeye beef right here.
Just dip it.
Ready? What do you think?
Very savory. The marination is sweet, tangy. Kind of tastes like teriyaki beef, but the beef is like really thick. I like this is good, but my preference is the dry meat when I go to Korean barbecue.
I think this has been my favorite one.
Yeah, the bulgogi? A lot of people like the bulgogi.
Yeah.
Alright, the pork belly is just about done.
We're gonna have to cut that one up though. Like,
For sure.
Oh, we should do the scissors, huh?
Pork belly will get into the belly.
Alright. Let me get the next one.
Look, it looks.
That looks so good.
Look at this. The crispy pork belly. The pork belly is about to get into my belly.
Right? I've never
I like eating pork belly with the hot sauce. Dip in the hot sauce for you guys.
Right. A little bit.
Good.
You know what?
Chewy.
Maybe, I don't know if it's just me, but I think I can taste the lemon in it.
This pork belly is
I also
lemony.
like, hold
I
up,
don't say
like,
the same thing.
it's very savory, very lemony.
No, I taste that too.
It has a very good balance.
Yeah. But it's also very moist.
Yeah.
I like this.
Very moist.
It was good.
Some pork bellies are dry, but this one is pretty moist. I'm telling you guys, $12.99 for the quality at this place is like crazy. Yeah, this pork belly is good. I'm impressed. So what round is this, guys? Another bulgogi for us.
3?
I think this is 3. John looks like he's done.
Are you down?
Down or down?
Done.
Alright, I'm gonna
Alright,
just
we're
drop
gonna,
it
we're
in.
gonna throw it in there. Listen for the ASMR.
I'll get it this time.
Uh-huh.
I'll get it this time. Because I think you burned your hand last time.
Oh yeah, because we're in the championship rounds. Round 5. Got the second order of bulgogi. Actually, it's like third, right? Second.
This is second.
Second.
Yeah.
I'm about to go in on this. This is your favorite meat, right? Bulgogi?
Yeah.
I think this is gonna be our last round, guys.
We're throwing in the towel.
Don't even tell. So we just finished our meal here at the Red Castle. All you can eat Korean barbecue. I'm super stuffed. Yeah, guys. And you guys should check out their channel and put the link below and subscribe for more food vlogs.
We'll see
Bye,
you soon,
guys.
guys.
All right, deuces.